Hello friends, so here is another question on description of motion, the parameters associated with motion. The question is that a man walks on a straight road, okay, very important, straight road from his home to market, which is 2.5 kilometers away, with a speed of 5 kilometers per hour, okay, from home to market. Finding the market closed, he instantly turns and walks back home with a speed of 7.5 km per hour. What is the magnitude of average velocity and average speed over the different intervals of time which are given here, over the time phase slot of 0 to 30 minutes, 0 to 50 minutes, 0 to 40 minutes. Okay. So let us just try to visualize the whole situation. So we have a man who starts from his home, okay, to the market, supermarket. Which is 2.5 kilometers away. Okay, this is 2.5 kilometers. So first the man he walks with a speed of 5 kilometers per hour, okay. So here the important thing is that how much time he takes to reach the market, okay, how much time. So here we know that speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Why? Because here distance we know from home to market is the same as displacement because it is a straight road. So here distance and displacement, they are the same in the first case. So that is given, the speed is given. So time can be calculated as 2.5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1 by 2 hours. Okay, so if 1 hour is 60 minutes, only 1 by 2 into 60 minutes, which is equal to 30 minutes. So it takes the man 30 minutes, okay, starting from 0, 30 minutes to reach the market, which is 2.5 kilometers away. So in this first phase, the total distance covered is equal to 2.5 kilometers. Displacement is also equal to 2.5 kilometers. Why? That's why I emphasized on the straight road. He walks on a straight road, straight line path, no curves, no nothing, straight line path connecting the initial home and market. So here both distance and displacement, they are the same. Time is equal to 1 by 2 hours. So both average speed and average velocity, they will be the same in this case, which is equal to distance, or whether you say displacement, which is the same in this case, divided by time, which is equal to 2.5 kilometers by 1 by 2 hours, which is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. So in the first case, the time phase from 0 to 30 minutes, both the average speed and velocity, they are the same, which is equal to 5 kilometers per hour. Okay. Now, seeing the market closed, the man, okay, let's use a different color ink here. Okay, seeing the market closed, the man returns back, okay, to his home with a speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour. I think, yes, 7.5 kilometers per hour. Here the same gap between home and market, which is 2.5 kilometers. So here, how much time did the man take to reach home? Same, distance by speed. So here time taken is equal to distance 2.5 kilometers divided by 7.5 kilometer per hour speed, which is equal to 1 by 3 hour, which is 1 by 3 into 1 hour is 60 minutes, which is equal to 20 minutes. Okay, so the man took 20 minutes to reach home. Now understand the question here. It has been given to calculate the average velocity and average speed over the time interval 0 to 50 minutes, not 30 to 50 minutes, 0 to 50 minutes. So here we have to consider that from the interval 0 to 50 minutes what has happened. So in this entire time interval, the man started from his home, reached the market. Finding the market closed, he turned back and again reached his home. So in this phase from 0 to 50 minutes, okay, from 0 to 50 minutes, the man has covered a distance of total 2.5 plus 2.5, which is equal to 5 kilometers. Okay, in this phase 5 kilometers. And what is the total time? Okay, what is the total time? First, from home to market in the first slot, the total time he took was 30 minutes, that is 1 by 2 hours. 1 by 2 hours, which is equal to 30 minutes. In the second phase, from market to home, he took 1 by 3 hours, which is 20 minutes. Total of 50 minutes or 5 by 6 hours. Total time is, this is the total distance, and the total time is equal to 50 minutes or 5 by 6 hours. Okay. So here the total distance is 5 kilometers, but the net displacement is equal to 0 kilometer. Why? Because the initial position is the home from where he started, and in this phase he returned back to the same point. So the net displacement is equal to 0 kilometers. Even though he covered a distance of 5 kilometers walking to and fro, but the displacement is 0. So here average velocity will be equal to net displacement 0 kilometers. Even though time is there, in that phase it is 0 kilometers per hour. Okay, that is the average velocity. Average speed, total distance covered, which is 5 kilometers. Total time is 5 by 6 hours, which is equal to 6 kilometers per hour in the phase 0 to 50 minutes. Okay, this. So here we are all considering the total 0 to 50 minutes phase. Okay, average velocity is this much. Okay, this much. Okay, then there is another question which is very important and interesting, which is the 0 to 40 minutes phase. Okay, so here we'll just 0 to 40 minutes phase. So the same thing we'll take from here. The man started from his home, took 30 minutes to reach the market. Then again he returned back to the same point with a speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour in 20 minutes. Somewhere here, while returning back with a speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour, he covered 2.5 kilometers in 20 minutes. Okay, 2.5 kilometers in 20 minutes. So obviously he would have covered 1.25 kilometers in 10 minutes. Okay, 1.5 kilometers per hour in the first 10 minutes, because we are considering uniform velocity, uniform speed. So this is important here. So in the 0 to 40 minutes phase, please pay attention here, home to market. First 0 to 30 minutes, the man reaches the market covering a distance of 2.5 kilometers, 0 to 30 minutes. In the next 30 to 40 minutes phase, okay, the next 30 to 40 minutes phase, the man reaches the halfway point here, okay, up till this point, which is 1.25 kilometers. Okay, 1.25 kilometers. This is the initial position, this is the final position, which is 30 to 40 minutes phase. Because we have been asked the interval 0 to 40 minutes phase, so he is midway. Okay, midway. This is the initial position, this is the final position. So here the displacement in this case 0 to 40 minutes phase is 2.5 minus 1.25, which is same 1.25 kilometers, because the man is midway. Distance is equal to, first from home to market, which is 2.5 kilometers, and then returning up to the midway point plus 1.25 kilometers, which is equal to 3.75 kilometers. Okay, 3.75 kilometers. Total time taken here is equal to 40 minutes. 40 minutes, which is nothing but 4 by 6 of the hour. Okay, or 2 by 3, the same thing, 2 by 3 hours. So here in this case, average velocity will be equal to net displacement by total time taken. The net displacement here is 1.25 kilometers divided by 2 by 3 hours, the total time taken, which is 40 minutes. Okay, that is equal to how much? It is coming around 1.875 kilometers per hour. Okay, 1.875 kilometer per hour, and the average speed it is distance, the total distance covered by time taken. So in the 0 to 40 minutes phase, the total distance which he has covered is first 2.5, then up to the midway point, which is 3.75 kilometers, and same, the total time 40 minutes, which is 2 by 3 hours, that is equal to 3.75 divided by 2, that is equal to 5.625 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is the important thing here. Okay, average velocity is 1.875 kilometers per hour, average speed is 5.625 kilometers per hour, and this is the thing to consider, okay, which we took from the second case. Okay, so it has been asked here 0 to 40 minutes, and this third bit is the most important and conceptual part here. Okay, so while returning back, seeing the market closed with a speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour, the man took almost 20 minutes to reach home. So 2.5 kilometers in 20 minutes, so 1.25 kilometers in 10 minutes, from 30 to 40 minutes phase, because we are interested in 0 to 40. 0 to 30 thing we know, home to market, but 30 to 40 market midway point in the way home. This is the phase we are interested in, 0 to 40, and for that phase displacement is 1.25 kilometers exactly from the midway point and home. Always remember, home is the initial position, distance covered is home to market 2.5, then from market to midway point 1.25, 2.5 plus 1.25 is 3.75 kilometers, and the total time taken is 40 minutes, which is equal to 2 by 3 hours. And we just simply use the formula of velocity and speed and determine the result. Okay.